Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading will be picking cards for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, Capricorn. So, these are for your daily energies, Capricorn, for your career situation and relationship. I'll be picking more cards, guys, from another deck. So, from this deck, we'll be picking 3 cards each for your career situation and your love energy, guys. So, these are for our career situation first. And for your love situation, 3 more cards. And the oracle guidance. So this oracle guidance may answer the questions that we have, guys, in any situation, what we need to do. So that will be the guidance. You can I'll open that card at last, guys. You can watch that to know what is the guidance for you all today, guys. So for your daily energies first, we will turn the cards. It's 10 of moons in reverse. It's prophetess of moons, the hermit in reverse. Capricorn, with these cards for your daily energies, I see that you are living in your own world. You have your own concerns, you have your own dreams, and you are not ready to see that reality, the present moment. So you live in your own world, thinking, dreaming, it may be daydreaming, isolating yourself from reality, guys, and you have that blind spot in your present day situation. You don't know what is the truth, what is the reality today, guys. And Capricorn, I also see that in your situation today, in your life, there are few people, maybe friends or some friend in particular, who is speaking the truth about you or about this connection or about your life in general. Something, they are really honest, they have that true concern on you, and they are trying to make you understand the truth in your circumstance, but you are not willing to listen to them. You are not ready to listen to what they are speaking, and this person has that true concern on you. That is the reason they are to be trusted, guys. They are really valuable for you because they are speaking the truth. They have that honesty, and in times of crisis, this person may help you out with suggestions and what you need to do, and they are ready to help you, but you are not willing to take their help, and maybe you are fighting with them because of the way they are speaking the truth. And I also see that you are quite angry and upset with how things are proceeding in your life today, and you may have some arguments with your family members or other friends too. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily energy, Capricorn. Let us see what are the cards for your career situation, guys. We will turn these cards now. It's 7 of cups, 5 of wands in reverse, and 5 of swords in reverse. So with these cards in your career situation, guys, you are indulging in a lot of fantasies and daydreaming about the path and what you need to do, and your overwhelming desires are just keeping you busy in your dreams about what you need to do in life, what are your goals. You are just dreaming, and it is not relating into actions, but you need to go for those actions, guys. So you see unlimited possibilities right in front of you, in your dreams or in your daydreams, but you need to work things out to see that become a reality, guys. And maybe in your career situation, there are people or there are certain circumstances that may see at the outright it may seem something worrying, something that may not go well, but it will turn to your advantage, guys. So all that obstacles or some dishonor that you may feel today, maybe because of some mistakes or because of some choices that went wrong, maybe some projects were suspended or delayed, and you are the reason for taking up those projects, maybe. So some kind of mistakes on your part, it may resolve those situation or circumstances may resolve, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for your career situation, Capricorn. Let us see what are these cards for your relationship, guys. It's Page of Cups, Queen of Swords, and the Moon. So with these cards in your situation today, this person and yourself, you have that romance in your heart, guys, that true romantic feeling. You both love each other and you both have that attraction for each other, and this person you are in a relationship with, they are speaking the truth and they have intuition guiding them in this connection, and they know what is right and what they need to do, and that is the reason they are guided towards you. And you are indulging yourself in too much fantasies or daydreaming. You may be daydreaming about this person or about this connection. You have that romantic heart today, guys, and too many dreams you may be having today about this person and what you need to do in this connection. And maybe too much of something is really bad. It has to, if you want these dreams to come into reality, you have to start by focusing on your present situation, guys, about this connection. So instead of dreaming, you have to get into action. That is what I see with these cards for your relationship, Capricorn. Let us see what is your oracle guidance. The Fates. So this card just means that destiny is playing its part today in this circumstance, guys, for us today, Capricorn. So whatever our situation is, however things are unfolding, we have to have that acceptance today, guys. Certain things we feel that we can change, but certain things we feel that we do not have that control. So when things are going in that particular way, we have to understand that we do not have that power, and when we do not have that power to change that circumstance, and when we accept that, we will feel that serenity and peace in our heart of hearts. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we just need to hang in there, wait for the time, believe in ourselves. So mindful of the things that we can change and we cannot change, and feel that happiness no matter what is our situation. So we see that destiny is the reason for things going in a particular way for you all today, Capricorn. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.